How is it that our grandparents could raise families, buy homes, and save money on one income? Yet today, with more convenience than ever, so many people feel broke? It's not because they earned more. It's because they avoided the habits that are draining us now. Back then, stretching a dollar meant security. Today, convenience quietly empties our wallets. And in 2026, bringing back a few of those old-school money habits might completely change your finances. In this video, I'm sharing 25 old-fashioned habits that actually worked, and at least 5 of them will challenge the way you spend. Stay until the end, because the last one could save you more than you think. Let's get into it. 1. Cook at home, but master 5 meals, not 25 recipes. 5. Meals you can cook without thinking. Cheap, filling, reliable. When you remove decision fatigue, you remove takeout temptation. Convenience is expensive, skill is profitable. 2. The use it up week. And if mastering meals stops money from leaving, this next habit finds money you already spent. Before buying groceries, eat what you already have. 1 week every month, no new groceries unless absolutely necessary. Most kitchens are hiding $50 to $100 worth of food we ignore. 3. Grow one thing. Now here's where the mindset shifts. Grow one thing that saves you money repeatedly. Herbs, tomatoes, green onions and water. It's not about survival. It's about shifting from consumer to producer. And that single shift changes how you see every purchase after that. 4. Buy in bulk, only boring items. If it's exciting, don't bulk it. Flour, rice, oats, beans. Old school frugality was boring, and boring builds wealth. 5. Pay cash for your weak spots. You already know where you overspend. Restaurants? Target runs? Online shopping? Withdraw cash for just that category. When the envelope empties, spending stops. Simple. Effective. Slightly uncomfortable. That's the point. And here's something we don't talk about enough. Old generations didn't just spend less, they maintained more. If this is hitting home so far, hit like. It helps more people find this kind of practical advice. 6. Mend clothes immediately. A missing button becomes a ruined shirt because we wait. Fix things the same day you notice them. Delay turns small repairs into replacements. 7. Learn basic appliance maintenance. Clean refrigerator coils. Descale your coffee maker. Change HVAC filters. Extending the life of what you own is one of the most underrated money habits. 8. Shop secondhand first, always. Make it a rule. Before buying new, check used. Furniture especially. Older pieces were built to last. Modern pieces are built to sell again. 9. Hang dry at least half your laundry. Your dryer ages clothes fast. Air drying saves electricity. Extends fabric life. Prevents shrinkage. Small habit. Long-term savings. 10. Walk short distances. If it's under a mile, walk. You'll save gas. You'll think more clearly. You'll reduce impulse stops. Walking reduces spending more than we realize. Now this next habit is something almost no one practices anymore, but it quietly builds financial discipline fast. 11. Practice the 30-day rule. See something you want? Write it down. Wait 30 days. Most desires expire. The ones that don't? Those matter. 12. Cancel subscription autopilot. Old-fashioned budgets didn't have invisible monthly drains. Audit everything. If you wouldn't sign up for it today, cancel it. 13. Keep a small cash reserve at home. Not huge. Just enough to feel secure. Digital money feels abstract. Physical money feels real. That difference changes behavior. 14. Preserve food like it matters. Freeze leftovers. Turn scraps into broth. Store produce properly. Throwing food away used to be unthinkable. Now it's routine. Let's reverse that. 15. Delay every upgrade by 6 months. Phone still works? Car still runs? Couch still holds you up? Delay the upgrade. Time exposes whether it's a need or boredom. 16. Borrow before buying specialty items. Ladders, power tools, party supplies. Community used to replace consumption. It still can. 17. Write your budget by hand once a month. Even if you use an app, writing slows you down. Forces awareness, creates ownership. Old school methods worked because they were tangible. 18. Plan no-spend weekends. Free activities, picnic, board games, library trip, home movie night. Spending money isn't the same as enjoying life. 19. Avoid disposable culture. Paper towels, plastic cutlery, single-use everything. Reusable alternatives save more than people realize over time. 20. Wear things out, completely. Don't replace because you're bored. Replace because it's finished. There's pride in fully using what you own. And now we get to the habits that really separate peaceful finances from stressful ones. 21. Save most of every windfall. Tax refund? Bonus? Gift money? Old school rule, treat it like it never existed. Lifestyle inflation destroys progress quietly. 22. Buy quality once, cry once. Cheap items cost twice. Good boots, good cookware, good mattress. Durability is frugal. 23. Keep a contentment practice. Every day, write down 3 things you already have that are enough. Contentment kills comparison. Comparison fuels spending. 24. Live slightly below your means, always. Not dramatically. Just slightly. That margin becomes freedom. 25. Make frugality an identity, not a phase. Old generations didn't try to save money. They were resourceful people. When being careful becomes part of who you are, decisions get easier. Here's the truth. Frugality isn't about deprivation. It's about control. It's about walking into 2026 with peace instead of pressure. Pick 5 of these, just 5. Practice them consistently for 90 days. Your finances will look different. Your stress will look different. Your confidence will look different. I'll see you in the next one.